This is an elegantly built home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today we are touring this brand new, well-constructed, modern 4-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. This property has a total floor area of approximately 333 square meters on a 216 square meter lot. Now join us as we begin this tour. We're filming this in the late afternoon and you can appreciate the lighting design of this home, showcasing that adobe stone design across the facade. You also have your automated garage gate right here, leading to your parking area for 2 vehicles. And let's head on over towards your pedestrian gate. You even have a glass covering here. And we also have an industrial I-beam design right here. And let's take a look at your carport area for 2 vehicles. You have a carport area here which can fit 2 sports utility vehicles with access towards your auxiliary kitchen. And it's almost completely covered. And you can feel the quality design and how polished and well built this house is. Now let's head on over towards your main entry. The wall lights further highlight the adobe stone design of the facade. You have additional storage right here, and you have your main door with an automated lock. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. On entering the home, you immediately have your powder room. With quality fixtures. Maximizing the area here. And on the other side, you immediately have your first bedroom. This property has plastic covering for the flooring to keep it protected while it's not yet sold. And you have built-in cabinetry. I want to point out the quality of the cabinets for this property. You can see how pulido it is in Tagalog, and I love the color of the handles as well. It looks like a rich chocolate brown. And you have an ensuite bathroom here as well. With warm hotel-like lighting. The provisions already for cable are ready here. You won't run out of outlets for this property. And the wiring for the air conditioning unit is already set in place. And here we are at your living and dining space. You have your living area right here, which is set up to have your television set on this side. As you can see, you have all the provisions here, from LAN to cable and the outlets as well. From your living space, you have your dining area, which enjoys so much natural light. It's already late in the afternoon, early evening, but you can still see that natural light coming in. You can have a round table here or a table for about 6 people. And then from here, you also have your modern kitchen. Have these lights here, giving a different emphasis on different parts of the kitchen with the peninsula countertop with 2 levels. You already have a range hood, an induction cooktop, an oven and a microwave already included. And you have plenty of ventilation and a nice vantage point over the rest of your amenity areas. This property also has intercom and even access towards a camera at the front of the property. And you also have a pantry room right here. And I like the interior design touch, the texture of the cabinetry here. And even small touches like having this key box right here. And on this side, you have your auxiliary kitchen space, which leads straight towards your parking area. So if you have groceries, you can take them straight here. You already have access towards the circuit breakers here, and you have a well-organized laundry area. You can see the plumbing and the outlets are already ready, and they even have these covers, so very thoughtful design. You have a bathroom here, which leads out as well towards the swimming pool area. On this side, you have a multi-purpose room. I'm just gonna step in so you can see the size. And now let's take a look here at one of the most relaxing features of this home, your swimming pool and Lanai patio space. This is a fantastic plunge pool. Just a great addition to the home. And I want to point out this tiled area is also covered with access towards the bathroom. You can enjoy the sound of the water flowing while dining here. And you also have the seating area here to add to the amenity space. The tiled area extends all the way here with access all the way to the front of the house. And for additional privacy, check out these louvers. And now let's head on up towards the second level. And here we are at your second level. I want to point out the tempered glass barrier here and the sturdy quality built railing. And here you have a family hallway space which can be repurposed to a study area. You can potentially have a desk right here or even a nice lounge area where you can have a sofa and then your television set here on the other side. Now let's take a look at your second and third bedrooms. Warm cove lighting, oversized windows, the provision once again for your split type air conditioning unit. And you can see the provision here for wiring as well. Very well thought out design. And once again, your cabinetry. So this house is excellent if you're looking to upgrade from a condo or a townhouse and you're looking for a single detached quality built home. You have one bedroom here, the second bedroom sharing a bathroom right here. And I'm gonna walk in so you can see the size of the space. So this would be a shared bathroom between the two bedrooms here. This is the third bedroom. Now, what's nice about the design is this feels so open because of the size of the windows, which are, by the way, quality PVC windows. So you can feel they're quite sturdy. And once again, the customized cabinetry for this bedroom. And now it's time to take a look at your primary bedroom. Now, of course, this is the largest room and can accommodate a king-sized bed. This is where you'll have your entertainment console, once again with the cable provision already. Cove lighting. You have access here through 2 sliding doors towards your balcony. And on this side, you have your walk-in closet space. I cannot get over the dark chocolate colored handles of the cabinetry. And you can see the smooth finish all throughout. And even here on the other side, you have an additional cabinet as well. Of course, your primary bathroom with a large counter area here for your toiletries and elegant lighting as well. And of course, a large window here for natural ventilation, but at the same time, maintains your privacy very well. And now let's cap off this tour by taking a look at your primary bedroom's balcony space. From this angle, you can appreciate the size of your primary bedroom's balcony with the wall light and that accent light, further beautifying the facade of this home. It's also covered, and let me tell you, you have a gorgeous sunset view from this balcony. Right now, I'm looking at a stunning sunset, and we look forward to touring you through this home in person.